Good evening, Canada Tortoise Capital with a speed run of the weekly swing portfolio using weekly charts. Alcoa, very strong and long. It's cleared all resistance. You can day trade and swing trade this one. Apple is dangerously weak. Um, It has pulled back to the Bollinger Band mean, so if it can hold above the river, this could be an interesting place to get long. I would start only with day trades and build up enough money, and only then start the swing. But it's disappointing. Arc Genomics had a nice rebound this last week. That put a nice tight um, MMRB on the close. I think like this, and ready to play it in either direction. Same with Arc K. It's in great shape. The disruptors have an opportunity to really recover strongly here, or they're going to just explode to the downside with weakness. So it's a perfect bi-directional trade. Boeing, just amazing. You got to reward continuation, but I would be preserving with a stop at about 261. Blockchain had a great recovery, pushing near all-time highs. I think I would be ready to keep adding to this one. Caterpillar, free and clear, off it goes. Brilliant. Keep going. Cliff Natural Resources with great strength in the materials. All the metals are doing really well. The industrials are doing well. I would add to it above 1750. DBA. Um, if you don't love this one on weeklies and the Kata 2 down here and the Kata 2 right there, then you don't love trading. Um, Stabilizing at a support level here. I like it. I would reward a continuation play as soon as it breaks above that weekly high. Ready to go. Same thing with DBC. Just buy it. Look at those. All those beautiful Kata 2 entries. John Deere, buy it. It's the combination of ag, heavy industrials, and AI and robotics. It's the Caterpillar of agriculture. As CAT is to industrials, John Deere is to ag. Just keep owning it. Keep buying it. Diamonds, long and strong. It's leading the way in the U.S. Devon Energy. Um, Better as a day trader than a swing trader. It feels fully valued already. The completion index had a great week, great recovery. Both small caps and mid caps are outperforming the S&P and the techs, so reinforced success. Emerging markets have a long way to go to catch up. It's the best non-U.S. sector, though, so that'll be an indicator about the strength of the economies in the rest of the world, so keep an eye on it. Ethereum, day trade only. Japan had a nice stabilizing move. I think it's at an attractive value here. Buy it above 69. Mexico, day trade only. I like the rebound. Good first week, but it has serious resistance at 45. Same with Brazil. I'd buy it above 34, short it below 32.50. Bitcoin, day trade only. I love the recovery in it, though. We're going to see if there's any legs. I think my tight risk box would be like that. Play it in either direction. You got to love the Russell, long and strong. The best of the U.S. indexes. Keep piling on. Lithium has a long way to go to catch up, but I feel like this base was put in here, and now everybody that wants it is looking at that as the gain. I think you got to buy it. Microsoft, one of the better of the global mature techs. I think you buy it. Marijuana, great recovery. Um, I would be day trading and swing trading this one for the long term. Neo, interesting in comparison to Tesla. I would reward it and buy the disruptor. Nvidia is the chip leader. It was a nice sell-off. I think you can buy it above if it breaks through the PSAR dot. The Fangs pretty stable, good recovery in. The bottom's in. Clean energy at a 15% week. Instantly buy strength above 108. PayPal, the disruptor, that and Squarespace are clear buys right now. This is the Qs. Not as persuasive as the diamonds, but if large cap tech begins to pick back up, this will be an indicator. And then there's a catch-up trade. It has a way to go to catch up to the small caps and the Dow. So I actually think that it's a value play right now of all things. Virgin Galactic day trade only. Simon Property Group, I think you buy it on the basis of all the trillions going to prop up businesses everywhere. That's a buy. The SPY, see my weekend comments. Squarespace is a buy. It recovered nicely from down here. And let's get it through the dragon and keep going, the disruptor. Treasuries, I'm short. I'm staying short. They're horrible. Tesla, nice recovery from 580 to 700. Still halfway to go to 880. I think as Tesla goes, so go the disruptors. I think it's a buy. Same with Twitter. Good recovery. Had less of a sell-off than the other disruptors. Oil just continues to march on the war drums. Keep buying it. VIX is saying that the market's going up. I have a safety purchase in here at like 16 and a half. So if it violates above that, I will start buying portfolio insurance. Wheaton Precious had a good recovery, but it's a day trade only, not a swing. U.S. Steel pile on, day trade it in both directions and hold a piece for the swing. It's getting ready to test key price levels here at 25. This is a buy in the biotechs for the S&P, and materials are the strongest of the U.S. sectors. Energy is pretty close, but it's pushing near resistance here above Z2 and at Z3. This will be the key. Finance, just keep buying them. The treasury money's going to them for the bailout money. Tech has a way to go. It's a value play right now. I say buy it. Consumer staples, increasing economic activity. They should continue to do well if that money trickles down to the people, if it ever gets there. Consumer discretionary had a nice rebound. Relief spending when the economy opens, I guess. And then oil exploration. It, like energy, is also topping. So let's be careful to preserve the gains we've made in energy. I think materials and finance are the easier cyclic sectors. Energy is a concern to me right now. It has shown some signs of weakness. And that's the speed run for this weekend. 50 charts in 7 minutes. Off we go.